In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to automatically archive emails in Microsoft Outlook. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Outlook. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top left of the window and click on the tab called File. After clicking File, you'll see a new screen with several options. On the left-hand side, select Options. This will open the Outlook Options window. In the Options window, look at the list on the left and click on Advanced. Now look on the right side of the window. Scroll down until you see a section called AutoArchive. Under the AutoArchive section, click the button that says AutoArchive Settings. A new window will now open where you can adjust how AutoArchive works. At the top, you'll see a checkbox that says Run AutoArchive every X days. Make sure this box is checked. You can change the number of days depending on how often you want Outlook to archive your old emails. For example, you might set it to every 14 or 30 days. Below that, you'll see more checkboxes. One of them says Prompt before AutoArchive runs. If you check this, Outlook will give you a reminder before it starts the archive process. This can be helpful if you want to see what's going to happen before any emails are moved or deleted. You'll also see an option that says Delete expired items. This is mostly for emails with expiration dates. You can leave this unchecked if you're not sure. Next, you'll find a setting that says Clean out items older than. You can choose how old emails should be before they get archived. You can set it to days, weeks, or months. For example, you might set this to archive emails older than 3 months. Below that, there's a section called Move Old Items To. This shows you where Outlook will save your archived emails. It usually creates a special archive file, often called archive.pist, and stores it on your computer. You can change the location if you want to save it somewhere else, like an external drive. There's also an option to permanently delete old items. If you choose it, the old emails won't be saved anywhere. They'll be deleted permanently. Once you've made all your choices, click OK to save the settings. Then click OK again to close the Options window. That's it. You can always go back and change these settings later if you need to. Thanks for watching.